OptiTuff Mini Fiber Cables transform what's possible with fiber cable installation. They're made of an advanced, ruggedized thermoplastic material that's a cost-effective, top-quality armoring alternative to traditional metal armoring for fiber cable. OptiTuff Mini Fiber Cables don't just stand above other cables in their category. They stand alone. There's truly nothing else like them on the market. To continue this revolutionary breakthrough and to allow you to use the OptiTuff cable you love in even more applications, Belden has expanded its OptiTuff line. In addition to a pre-terminated trunk solution, we now offer a field termination option that ensures fast, easy installation of OptiTuff, as well as compatibility with our popular FiberExpress Fusion Splice-On connectors and ECX patch panel system. To give installers, integrators, data center managers, and network designers what they were asking for, an end-to-end OptiTuff system, Belden found a way to improve cable management for OptiTuff Mini Fiber Cables in field-terminated applications. We accomplished this by creating new products and making improvements to patch panel termination with our existing FiberExpress portfolio. These changes include the addition of a transition or breakout kit for better fiber management and routing, a new FX Fusion holder that enables the use of a breakout kit and allows for fast, high-precision splicing, an ECX field-terminated cassette that supports compatibility with the FX Fusion connector, better fiber management, and cable entry on the right or left, and finally, additional reinforcement integrated into our ECX frame for more rigidity during installation. To determine what you'll need for your OptiTuff installation, begin with the fiber count of your OptiTuff Mini Fiber cable. Will you be using 2, 6, 12, or 24 fiber construction? From there, simply select your termination method, pigtail splicing or FX Fusion splicing. Once you know these two details, we'll help you get the connectivity and cable management accessories you need, which could include an ECX splice cassette, an ECX field-terminated cassette, or the ECX frame and breakout kit. Let's look at an example. You're working with a 6-fiber OptiTuff cable and you're going to use an FX Fusion Splice-On connector. If you'll be bringing in only 1 or 2 cables, then you'll need the ECX field-terminated cassette. If you plan to bring in more than 2 cables, then you'll need a transition kit for each cable plus an ECX field-terminated cassette. Our OptiTuff Connectivity System Guide makes it easy to pinpoint exactly what you need for every project. It's important to remember that a single cassette can support a maximum of 2 OptiTuff cables. Cassettes are available in 12 or 24 fiber configurations. With the development of OptiTuff Mini Fiber Cable, and now its compatibility with FX Fusion and ECX, more cable and connectivity combinations are now possible.